Hi, everyone. We're back here looking at our selection tool area of the toolbar. And beyond rectangle and marquee, elliptical marquee tool, which are fairly straightforward, we have a new button down here. And as you can see, the arrow in the top right corner denotes that there are more tools underneath. This little pocket of tools is for quick selections. So starting with the quick selection tool, we also have the selection brush tool. We have the magic wand tool. We have the refine selection brush, and we have auto selection, the auto selection tool. So we're going to start with the quick selection tool, and you would basically click on the tool so you have it showing on your toolbar. You can change your size of brush with the slider here. You can also do that same process by using the square brackets on your keyboard as a shortcut. That will change the size or scope of the brush. So be careful of too big a brush for finer details, but again, the keyboard shortcut is square brackets. Okay, so I'm going to leave mine about there. I just want you to also notice that I've selected Add. So I'm making a selection where I'm adding to the selection. The one beside it is Subtract, and you'll see where that comes into play. Brush settings are down here if you want to do more complicated stuff with hardness of the brush. That would be how soft your circle is. If I change my hardness, I'll be choosing kind of a fuzzy outline around that selection. Spacing and the roundness, pen pressure. If you're using something like a stylus, you could use that too. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to select this picture here. Right now it's the zebra's ear. And if you guys look carefully, I'm holding the left mouse button down as I do this, which is just basically selecting the area. It does this by color and pixel that I've selected previously, so it kind of knows to follow my lead and my direction of my mouse pointer here. So you can see I've done that. Now I'm going to come up here and do this one. And if I went off to the side and maybe did that by accident, I would just simply come down to the Subtract from Selection and bring you can see that the tool, the inside of my brush now tip is a minus, telling me that I'm subtracting, and I would just go back over the area I don't want and get rid of it and bringing me back down to the selection. So again, to make sure that that was done properly, you can grab your Move tool and pull that zebra out anywhere you want now that I've done this, with obviously his whiskers and eyelashes aside. So just move it to the side, leave it there. Once you've done that, hit Escape on your keyboard. And again, that was just the Move tool and holding the mouse down. But now that I've escaped from the keyboard, take a picture of that or save it and turn that in for this tutorial. Again, that was the quick selection tool on the toolbar.